guys, you know that the iPhone 11 came up, and my dad got it. And if you haven't seen the first two scenes that my brother did it, he already opened this package thingy, and we're gonna be opening it again.
Papa.
Yeah.
Open.
Yeah. Do you want to open?
Papa.
The moment of truth. It's a real iPhone 11
Pro.
Oh my god, it's so cool. There's a bubble. I never saw a bubble on a phone before. It's so cool and it is so smooth. I never saw this before. It's actually really cool. What are you doing? There's some information about the phone. Oh my god, that is so cool. It looks like a sunshine. Why are you eating that charger up yet? Okay, so why is she eating the charger? Why is she eating the charger? Rafia, don't eat the charger. And then, wait. Oh my, wait. And it even comes
The headphone.
with headphones. In the front, it just looks like those ear pluggy thingies, but if you look at the sides. And then there's a charger because we need one that actually fits in the hole. And it actually fits in the hole. Cool. It's hard to get out. And then in here was this charger. Oh, that's so cool. Look. It's so cool. Afia, don't break the phone. It's so cool. Because look. Boing. Boing. Rafia, where are you allowed to take off the plastic? This is so cool. Just boing, boing. So cool. Anyways, I don't want to break it, so I didn't carefully put it back in. And then there's this thing that looks like a spider. It looks like a spider.
Okay, shall I finish the video?
Maybe. Oh yeah, and I also made this bracelet. Look, it's so cool.
Alright, thank you. Rafia, say bye.
Say bye.
Rafia, bye.
Bye. Say bye. 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 Anyways, bye. Just pretend she said bye. Now bye.